To remove the serial ATA hard drive, first remove the PC cover. Detach the data and power connectors from the back of the drive. Squeeze in order to detach the connector. Remove the retaining screw that secures the hard drive tray to the PC drive tray. Pull the power connector out to the side of the hard drive, then slide the hard drive out of the unit. Detach the 4 screws that secure the drive to the top of the tray. Slide the drive out the front of the tray. Slide the new hard drive into the tray. Align with the screw holes on the tray. Attach the 4 screws. Pull any cables out of the way, then slide the hard drive tray back underneath the PC drive tray in the chassis. Reattach the screw to secure the hard drive tray to the PC drive tray. Reconnect the serial ATA and power connectors to the rear of the